Alright, so the next question reads, what is the integral of ln of x? Okay, so for this question, we're going to be using a technique called integration by parts to try to solve our function, okay? So first, let's write out what integration by parts is. So the integration by parts takes a function, let's say u, which is being integrated in terms of v, and you can split it up to be u times v minus the integral of v du. So you might be asking, how is this relevant to solving or simplifying the integral? By doing integral by parts, you are able to take this complex integral and convert it into a much easier integral to solve with v du. So that's the goal of using integration by parts here, okay? So if we're looking at our actual question here, we have the integral of ln x dx, okay? Alright, so we could write ln dx as ln x times 1 dx. And now we can choose some substitution variables to sub for u and v, okay? So we're going to say let u equal ln x, okay? Therefore, d of u is going to equal 1 over x dx, okay? And we're going to let dv equal to 1 dx. So that means that the integral, or the antiderivative of this, is just going to be x. Okay? So now let's sub in u and v, okay? So first of all, we see here that
Hello.
sorry about that. So we see here that ln of x dx can be written as the integral of u dv, right? Because u equals ln x and dv equals 1 of dx, right? So then from here, we can write that equals to u times v minus the integral of v du. And if we were to sub it in here, we would have ln x times 1, or times x, minus the integral of v x of du, which is 1 over x dx. Okay? So the integral here is just going to be ln x of x minus the integral of 1 dx. If we were to calculate this all together, we would get x ln of x minus x. And you cannot forget to write a constant here, because if you're calculating indefinite integrals, you have to assume that there might be a constant when you're calculating antiderivative. Okay, so by using integration by parts, we're able to create a simpler integral to solve. So instead of solving the integral of ln x, we are now solving the integral of 1, which is very simple for us, right? We just use the power rule of integration, and by doing so, we came to the conclusion we found our integral, which is x ln x minus x plus constant c. So this solution is correct. Good job. Alright,